Why most Gen Z will stay broke unless you do this. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one taught you how money actually works. And unless you learn this one thing, you'll spend your 20s broke, your 30s catching up, and your 40s burnt out. But what if you flipped the game? What if you could stop living paycheck to paycheck, without working 3 jobs or skipping Starbucks? This is not another drink less lattes lecture. This is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's talk about Gen Z for a second. We are the most connected generation in history, yet the most financially disconnected. 63% of Gen Z live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning full-time. The average 20-something has zero savings and over $20,000 in debt. Rent prices are insane. Groceries are up. Student loans are back. And your paycheck feels like a joke. You weren't taught money in school. You were taught mitochondria. You were told to get good grades, not how to build credit, avoid debt, or invest. The plan was, go to school, get a degree, get a job, and live happily ever after. But now you have the degree, and the job, and somehow you're still broke. Now throw in social media, and it gets worse. You're constantly exposed to 19-year-olds flexing Lambos, selling dropshipping dreams, and posting $10,000 sneaker hauls. It's easy to feel like you're behind, even when you're not. So what do? We spend to look rich. We swipe, click, tap, just to feel like we are catching up. We try to keep up with a lifestyle we can't afford, funded by debt, driven by insecurity. You're spending money to look rich, not be rich. You're buying things you don't need, to impress people you don't even like. Meet Talia. She earns $2,000 a month but spends $350 on Uber Eats. Then there's Josh. He's got the newest iPhone, no savings, and his credit card is maxed out. We flex broke, go broke trying to flex, and stay broke pretending we aren't. Being broke isn't just a math problem. It's a mindset. We chase instant gratification. We normalize debt. We avoid checking our bank accounts because we are afraid of the number. You wouldn't drive a car with your eyes closed. But that's how most of us handle money, blind. Let me tell you a story. Jordan is 23, graduated last year. First job, making $2,800 a month. Rent is $1,200. Groceries and subscriptions, $900. Leftover, $700. But by the second week of the month, it's already gone. New clothes, takeout. I deserved it treats. By week 3, Jordan's broke again, living off credit, but still posting new sneakers, Spotify recaps, and concert pics like everything's fine. Jordan isn't dumb. Jordan just doesn't have a system. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to get rich. You just need to play a different game. If you save $200 a month starting at 22 and invest it consistently, you could retire with over $600,000. If you wait until 32, you'll have less than half that. Time is your greatest asset. Consistency is your superpower. Habits are what build wealth, not hacks. So what do? First, pay yourself first. Every time you get paid, send money to savings and investments before you spend a dime. This is called reverse budgeting. Most people spend first and save what's left. But wealthy people save first and then spend what's left. Next, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to your freedom fund, investments, savings, future you. Set it, automate it, and forget it. Don't trust yourself to track it all. Let AI do the work. Apps like Rocket Money, Clio, and Copilot make it stupid easy to automate your money. They track your spending, categorize it, and even suggest smarter habits. If you can track every calorie, you can track every dollar. Now, let's talk about 3 habits that actually build wealth. Number 1, track every dollar, even just once a week. Awareness is power. Number 2, invest before you spend. Start with index funds. Think S&P 500. Think low fees. Think compound growth. Number 3, build income streams. Not hustle porn. Smart side hustles. Freelancing. Affiliate marketing. Selling digital products. Using AI tools to automate tasks. Broke people spend money. Wealthy people grow it. So here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to this. Week 1, Track every expense. Yes, even that $5 snack. Week 2, set up a reverse budget. Week 3, automate $50 a week into savings or investments. Week 4, open your first index fund account and invest your first $100. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting started. Money doesn't respond to good intentions. It responds to action. Most people stay broke because they never start. But now you know the truth. You've seen the system. So what are you going to do? You can scroll to the next video. Or you can scroll through your bank balance 5 years from now and be proud of what you built. The choice is yours.